Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Lisa and I make all different type of lifestyle videos. As you can tell by the title, today's topic is going to be addressing under eye dark circles. So I feel like a very common thing I see here on the internet is a lot of people saying that they have not found an eye cream that they love. An eye cream that takes care of their under eye circles, the puffy bags under their eyes. And I feel like for me, this is going to be a really fun and special video because first of all, obviously it's addressing cosmetics and beauty, which I like, but then also for those of you who don't know, I'm actually an optometry student, so I study the eye. Also, before I get started, I'm gonna link this dress down below and I'll insert a little clip of how it looks because guys, this dress is so cute and it was only $25 at Target, so I'm gonna be sure to link the dress in the description box down below if you're interested. Along with my lipstick color. But yeah, now jumping into under eyes. So I feel like I'm just going to cover some of the basics and then I'll get into more details. So I feel like something a lot of us already know is that sleep, water intake, diet, stress levels, and then of course the genetics play a really big role in how your under eyes look. I know you guys are probably already thinking you already know that, but I just want to emphasize that that is important. And I think one of the things people also forget is that allergies plays a big role in under eyes. So there's actually this thing called allergic shiner, and I'm gonna spell it here and you can Google it if you're interested, but that's pretty much where allergies kind of manifests as a very dark under eye circle. And so if you have allergies that you have not been treating, that is a symptom that you can get. So if you haven't been treating your allergies, something as simple as a oral antihistamine or a topical antihistamine, which is just like an eye drop, that is something that can help clear that up. But let's say you've already covered all those basics and you want a really good eye cream. A lot of eye creams on the market that claim that they'll brighten your eyes or depuff them actually don't have the key ingredients they need to take care of those problems. So if you look at the ingredients on the back of the bottle, a lot of them actually are just moisturizers. And so I'm not saying that moisturizers aren't helpful because of course it's super important to keep that under eye skin hydrated, but a moisturizer on its own is not going to brighten or depuff your under eyes. So the skin around your eyes is actually the thinnest skin of your body. It's the most delicate, thin skin, and because of that, that's what makes it prone to you seeing the little vessels, also known as capillaries, and those kind of show through your skin. So in order to actually lighten up those under eye circles, you have to target those capillaries or those little blood vessels that are showing through and making your skin look kind of bluish. And the way you can do that is by using caffeine. And I feel like a lot of us have heard like the old trick of putting tea bags on our eyes, and that's actually because of the caffeine in them. So caffeine is a vasoconstrictor, meaning it's going to make those little vessels kind of get smaller and shrink up, and that's going to really reduce the appearance of under eye circles. So if that is something you haven't tried, I would highly recommend giving caffeine a shot. And so the great thing is that these products are not all overly priced and expensive. This is the one that I use right here. It's by the brand The Ordinary. I will be sure to link it down below, but it's super affordable. It was under $10. I think it was like $7 or $8. And it works really well because, like I said, caffeine is meant to constrict those vessels temporarily and really brighten your under eye. Another complaint that I think is very much so associated with the appearance of under eye circles is having those swollen, puffy bags under the eye. And that's not necessarily related, it's not the same cause, but if you have that, it can kind of accentuate the look of your dark under eye circles. So if you have swelling or puffiness under the eye, the best way to treat that is with ice or cold compresses. The one I use is right here. So ice is going to be kind of like an anti-inflammatory, and it's really going to soothe the under eye and help bring down that swelling. So this is what I use. It's an ice roller. I love using this thing in the morning, especially because I usually wake up very hot here and puffy. So I always like to roll this over my entire face, really focusing on the under eyes. It feels great and it really helps bring down the puffiness in the morning. And what's also nice about this is that you can use it on your body as well if you ever have sore muscles or anything like that. But if you don't have a fancy ice roller, that's perfectly fine. You can really just use anything in your freezer that's cold as well. I will be sure to link both of those items in the description box below as well if you're interested. But then I do also want to mention that if none of these things are helping, there are other conditions such as hyperpigmentation that can cause darkening of the under eye. And in this case, it's not caused by the blood or vessels in your eye, but it's caused by actual pigment problems of the skin. So that would be caused by excess melanin, which is the pigment molecule that makes up the color of our hair, our skin, our eyes, all of that. So if you have excess melanin or excess pigment in your skin, putting topical caffeine is really not going to make a difference because blood vessels are not the problem. So if you have something like hyperpigmentation, you really need a laser treatment to treat that. All right, so that's everything I had for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new. I would love to have you as a subscriber. Also, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, be sure to leave that down below. And yeah, as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!